So we are in a bull market right now. We're making massive amounts of profits. And if you set your portfolios, like I told you, with your high caps, mid caps, and low cap high risk coins, you should be making and be in massive profit right now. But a lot of times I'm telling you to buy high risk coins. And a lot of you ask me, whether it's in my group, whether it's in my live streams, or whether even in the comment section, how do I buy these high risk coins? How much do I put into them? When and how do I take profits? And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take profits, when to take profits, and when to buy these coins or how to buy them, the strategy or the mindset behind it, so you can make massive profits and not get wrecked. And we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how to buy high-risk coins and when to actually buy them. Because I've said many times you should have a portfolio of high-valued coins or blue-chip coins, mid-caps, and low-caps, which generally are higher risk for those moonshot plays. But how do you actually buy them? How much money do you actually put in from your portfolio? And when do you actually take profits? Let's talk about that. Let me show you how you navigate this, so to speak. All right, so you have your crypto portfolio here. You have your crypto portfolio set up like we've been suggesting on the Crypto Factor, which is your high cap coins here, your blue chip, so to speak. You have your mid caps, and then you have your low caps and your high risk coins. So low, LCHR, low cap, high risk coins. And let's say you have a total of 10K in your crypto portfolio. Half of that is hopefully in Bitcoin, and the other half is in your altcoins. So let's say you have 4K in your high caps, your blue chips, 4K in your mid caps, and then another 2K in your high risk coins over here. So this 2K here, it can be played in different ways. One way is to get into a high risk coin, let's say with $300 or $500. It can even be $200. Doesn't really matter. This is a different play than if you would put $1,000 into a coin. See, it just changes the fundamentals. Let me explain what I mean so you can understand, okay? Let me explain this for you. If you put, let's say, $200 in a coin, the way you play this is different in the sense you set and forget. Because in order for this to make sense, this coin needs to 10, 20, 50x for it to make sense for you to take profit. So it's a different approach. You buy the coin on spot, you hold it. If it goes to zero, you don't care. You have more playing power with that 2K, but basically you're not looking to take profits. So if you're somebody that likes to travel, has businesses, just doesn't like to trade, you put in $200, you set and forget. When it goes to 10x, 20x, 50x, that's when you start taking profits on the way up. Does that make sense? So you're not taking profits at a 2, 3x. You're just not. You're not getting, first of all, you wouldn't get into a high-risk coin for anything less than that anyway. There's no point. If you're going for a 2, 3x, get into Solana, get into SUI, get into other coins. Even if you're going for a 5x, why go into a high-risk coin? There's no point. You can just go into another coin that has utility that will do well, and you'll make that. So you're going here, you're going here, you're going to these high-risk coins for 20, 30, 50x. So it's a set and forget approach, right? So this here is a set and forget approach. Very simple process here, and you take a profits depending on what those profits mean to you. What do I mean by that? Well, for somebody, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 is a lot of money. For other people, it's not. It all depends on your portfolio and what that money is for you. If it's 5 salaries, obviously you're taking profits. Does that make sense? So there's no rule. The one rule you want to keep is take profits in increments. In other words, 10% here, 20% there, 50%, and so on, and leave some to run just in case it goes up even more. Usually that would be your initial investment, so to speak, okay? Now let me show you something a bit different here. If you invested 1,000K, typically you would be taking profits faster because this is a different type of risk play. Here, at a 2, 3x, you want to be taking your initial investment out. So if 1,000 becomes 3,000, let's put 3x here. If 1,000 becomes 3,000, you want to take out your 1,000 and put it in another coin or put it back into this bank over here for another play. And then you're taking more profits at a 5x, and then maybe you leave your 1,000 that's left over for a 10, 20, or 50x. Because if you put in more money, it's more risk, but it also makes sense to take profits. So a lot of you, when you ask me, Paul, when should I take profits? Should I take profits now? Should I take profits? It all depends on your style. Are you putting in money like $200, $300, set and forget, you don't care if you lose that, much easier, so to speak? Or are you investing 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, where you're taking your initial investment out fast and then letting some ride at a 2, 3x, you take more out, now you're in profit, then you let it run. That's riskier, but can give you more profits. The other one's less risky, but it's more risk for you to lose your whole capital, but it's more of a set forget approach. It depends on your style. I do a mix of both. I'll put $500 in a coin, set and forget, going for a 20, 30x. It's a moonshot. If you're not expecting a 20, 30x on that coin, you shouldn't be going high risk anyway. Go into another normal coin, a utility coin, have some patience, you'll make that money. So you put 500, forget stop losses, forget trading, just put it in, hold it. It does what it does. Does that make sense? I've done that with a couple coins. I'll show you which coins I've done that at the end of this video, or a mix of them. The other approach is to put in a higher amount, $2,000, $3,000, which I've also put into high risk coins. I'll show you them in just one second. And those one, you want to take your initial investment out, let the rest run, and so on. So there is no one cut answer here. And it's all a matter of your strategy and style. Now, if you want to know more about how to do this, so you can ask me in a live stream, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you to answer your questions. I try to answer all questions in live streams every Sunday, 7 o'clock EET time. British Terrest just jumped out there. It's 1/2 tea time. Anyway, doesn't matter. But if you want to know which high-risk coins I am into right now, which high-risk coins I'm either holding, setting, and forgetting, but most of them I'm actually investing a few $1,000s, make sure you watch this video right here. These coins right here, I expect they can 10, 20, even 50x by the end of the bull market. So don't miss this video, and I'll see you in the next one.